Okay, I'm in my 2017 GMC Sierra, and I'm about to show you what the oil change indicator light will do if the percentage goes down below 10%. Now, I've already had my oil changed. I went to Walmart to have it changed, and the guy did not change the indicator back to 100%. So I'm going to show you what would happen in that case. So let me put my keys in my ignition and turn it on. Okay. It will tell you right there to change your oil soon. So let me go ahead and start up my engine. But no, I'm not going to start it up yet. This will keep popping up before you start up your engine. And even when you turn off your engine, after you've been driving it for a while, this will usually stay on, or either you can, change it to another mode by turning this little indicator right here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what it'll do if it goes below the indicator percentage goes below 10%. So let me go ahead and start up the engine. Okay, I've started up the engine. I'm letting it warm up. Okay, that will stay like that until you go into the other mode and change it back to 100%. So I'm going to possibly go turn off my engine here. Let me go ahead and turn it off, then turn it back on. Okay, and I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to change the percentage. So you change it. Okay, it says 7%. Okay, so it's telling me what I need to do to change it. So I think you push in on it. Tell me, do you want to reset? I'll go yes. I turn the indicator up. Then you push in on it, and then it'll change back to 100%, just like that. So let me go ahead and start up my engine. Okay, it's telling me it's back to 100%, so let me go ahead and change it back to the main screen. And the other indicator that was telling me that it's time to change my oil has left. So that's what it looks like.